Nina's cooking day. Nina is a woman. She loves to cook. She lives in a small house with her husband, her daughter Lila, and a big gray cat named Muffin. One sunny morning, Nina wakes up at 7:30. She stretches, smiles, and says, "Time to cook." First, she washes her hands and ties her red apron. She opens the fridge and takes out eggs, milk, and cheese. She sings a little song. Mix, 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 make it nice and quick. Muffin the cat jumps on the chair and watches her. Meow, says Muffin. Not for you, silly cat. Nina laughs. Nina cooks breakfast. She makes cheese omelets and toast. The house smells so good. Lila walks into the kitchen. Wow, Mommy. Yummy, she says. Nina smiles. Let's eat together. They sit at the table. Nina, Lila, and Dad eat and talk. This is the best breakfast, says Lila. Muffin purrs under the table, waiting for crumbs. After breakfast, Nina washes the dishes. She listens to music and dances a little. Lila joins in and they spin around the kitchen. In the afternoon, Nina bakes cookies with Lila. They use flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. Don't eat the dough, says Nina. But Lila giggles and tastes it. When the cookies are ready, the whole house smells sweet. They eat one cookie each. Muffin gets a tiny piece too. Delicious, they all say together. At night, Nina is tired but happy. She hugs Lila and says, I love cooking with you. Lila says, Me too, Mommy.